So carbon and sodium both have need electrons, and both have nothing friends and relatives. So both come and attract each other and complete their octet rule, and after completing the reaction they go wherever they want. So this is the formula, this is the we can say that process of sharing of electrons in our daily life and in also organic chemistry. So its basic is our complete. Now come to our topic, which is alkane, that we understand. So the sharing electron use of sharing electron in the alkanes is that they both have use in metals, and metals have to complete their octet rule. And we talking about methane. Yes, we talking about methane. So you understand that carbon makes single bond, that one hydrogen, one hydrogen, one hydrogen, one hydrogen. There are total 4 hydrogen, and they have make also, they totally make single bonds to the carbon. Now come to the second, which is ethane. Ethane is that C2H5. We can know that we put the N is equals to 2 in the formula of CnH2n plus 2 alkane. We can find we get CnH2n plus 2. That means C is 2, carbon 2, and hydrogen is 2 plus 2. 2 into 2, 4, and plus 1. That means 2n plus 2. Plus 2. So it's hydrogen 6, not 5. As to 5, we can say that when we reach the totally changing electrons pairs, that means after completed saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons. In the alcohol topic, I tell you about C2H5CH3. What is this? I tell you about this. But in this topic, we only complete the non and docane and their atomic numbers by their IUPAC name. We can know that. Okay. So first, methane is complete. Ethane is C2H6. 2 carbons, single bonds, hydrogen, 1 carbon, 3 hydrogen, and 1 carbon, 3 hydrogen, both have between single bonds. Completed. And so it's make their structure. This formula is used for all of these. That means we can say propane, butane, pentane, hexane, heptane, octane, nonane, docane, every. So you can make this. Okay. Now come to the topic unsaturated hydrocarbons, because saturated hydrocarbons have only one type, alkanes. And now come to the unsaturated hydrocarbons. When I'm talking about this, there have 2 types, alkenes and alkynes. Alkenes, that we can say ALKENES. So the name of alkenes of 1 to 10 is methane, not methane, methane. Methane, ethene, propene, butene, pentene, hexene, nonene, docane, okay, octane. So what is this tene? Because we learn that in alkane we can say methane. So spelling is what? MET, meth. And when we talking about alkane, ANE, we can say that ANE, methane. When we talking about eth, we can say that it's ethane, ANE. So this process, this name is used, we can say it's a suffix. Suffix, you all know that what is suffix? It's a denotation. So this suffix is used for alkane, and for this suffix for use in alkenes, we can use ENES, which we can say that methane, not methane, methene, methane, METHENE, methane, ETHENE, ethene. So in the alkene, we study about double bonds. We can say that the formula of alkene is CnH2n only. So when we put carbon is equals to 1, that means N is equals to 1. So carbon is 1 and H is 2n, that means 2 into 1, 2. So carbon is 1 and hydrogen is 2. What we do in this? We do carbon in between and 2 double bond with hydrogen, That's we complete our octet rules because each bond conduct 2 electrons. When I talking about in the previous path, which is alkane, 4 bonds, that means 8 electrons, and in there also 4 bonds, but in the double form. It's in the double form, which they conduct 2 electrons, and it's complete their octet rule with 8 valency electrons. Okay, so carbon double bond with hydrogen, double bond with hydrogen. Methane is complete. As like ethane, as like propene, ethene, propene, butene, pentene, hexene, heptene, nonene, docene, octane also. Okay? Now come to our next topic, which is alkynes. Now what is alkynes? The suffix is YNES. ALKYNES, alkynes. Okay? Now come to the name: methane, ethine, butane, pentine, propene. ठीक है, propine. It's not propene, it's propine. That means YNE, and the formula of this is alkyne is CnH2n minus 2. Okay, CnH2n minus 2. When we say that n is equals to 1, we can say we get carbon is equals to 1 and hydrogen is equals to 2 into 1, 2 minus 2, 0. That means carbon 1, hydrogen 0. So methane is not conduct in this formula. Methane, that means methane is not conduct in this formula. Come to the next, which is ethine, which we can say that 2 is equals to, that means CnH2n minus 2, ethine is n is equals to 2, and Cn, that means C2, carbon is 2, but hydrogen is what? 2n. 2 into 2, 4 minus 2, 2. So when carbon is 2, hydrogen is also 2. And we can say that the bonding of between this is carbon, triple bond with carbon, single bond hydrogen, they are also single bond hydrogen. So completing their valency electrons, carbon, triple bond, hydrogen also, and they have 2 hydrogens, triple bond is completed. Now the topic of alkane and alkynes are totally completed. And then we can easily study about alcohols. So what is alcohols? Alcohol, yes, it's acidic in nature, not basic. And then what is acid and base? So acid and base is what we can study in the 5th class of science. It's also used in physics, but now at that time we understand it's the use of acid and base in alcohol chapter in the organic chemistry, and then we can say that alcohols are totally acidic in nature. Then when we can say what is alcohol? Alcohol is totally wine which drink which is dangerous for our health. Okay, so alcohols. Come to the alcohols formula properties, because they see this, that means alcohols have various types. That means the nomenclature of alcohol, physical properties, chemical properties, reactions, whatever, various types. And alcohols are totally depends in the metals: sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, lithium. Also gas depends, but main it's metals. Okay, because without metals, alcohols is not completed properly, because the formula is also metals, so that's why alcohols is used in metals, we can say that. Now the suffix which we can say alcohol is OH. OH, we can say OH denote alcohol, and the formula of alcohol is R single bond with OH. Now what is R? R is a alkane compound, because alcohols also depends alkane, alkenes and alkynes. That's why I can say before alkanes I understand you about alkanes, alkenes and alkynes. Okay, so in alcohols it is also depends in alkane, alkene and alkynes, which we can say R single bond, R double bond, R triple bond connected with OH group. OH group is denoted by alcohol because it's a suffix of alcohol. Now come to the compound name, which we can say IUPAC name and common name. So in the previous, alkane, alkenes and alkynes is their own compound name, but in the alcohol, phenol, ethers and totally in the electrochemistry which we can study about now, there have their own name, because it's have two types which we can say IUPAC name and common name. So before reading this chapter, I have to tell you something about reactions and something external in it's also this topic, but I want to tell you in the board. So let's come to the board.